Okay, go ahead. Well, pwede na.
Good morning, everyone. We are the Group 1, and now we will report the timeline of the early history and development of organic chemistry. Overview. Organic chemistry has a rich and diverse history, marked by key discoveries and development that have shaped our understanding of carbon containing compounds and their reactions. The history of organic chemistry is characterized by progression from vitalist to a deeper understanding of the structure, properties, and reaction of organic compounds, with profound implication for both science and society. Our first scientist is Justus von Liebig. Justus von Liebig, a key scientist in organic chemistry, significantly influenced the field through his study on organic molecule and radicals. His contribution laid the foundation for the discipline, and his invention of innovative lab equipment made organic substance research easier. Liebig's groundbreaking research in agriculture chemistry, including the development of nitrogen-based fertilizer, ammonium sulfate, revolutionized crop yields and provided practical solution to agriculture and industrial challenges. Here are some facts about Justus von Liebig. Birth and education. Justus von Liebig was born on May 12, 1803 in Darmstadt, Grand Duchy of Hesse, in what is now Germany. He studied at the University of Bonn and the University of Erlangen, where he developed a passion for chemistry. His contribution to chemistry. Liebig made significant contribution to various fields of chemistry, including organic chemistry, agricultural chemistry, and analytical chemistry. He is often referred to as the founder of organic chemistry.
Emil Fischer. He was a German chemist and the 1902 Chemistry Nobel laureate. It was he who discovered Fischer esterification. Additionally, he created the Fischer projection, a symbolic representation of asymmetric carbon atoms. He also proposed the lock and key theory of how enzymes function. Fischer made the discovery of purines related to caffeine. He also explored the molecular structures of carbohydrates and proteins. He received the 1902 Chemistry Nobel Prize in recognition of his efforts. Facts about Emil Fischer. Fischer's concept of the lock and key model as a substrate binding mechanism is well known. Emil Fischer won the Chemistry Nobel Prize in 1902 of his exceptional contributions to the synthesis of purines and sugars. He initially created caffeine from uric acid as a purine. He then used bromine to create caffeine as well. For our third, for our third scientist, Antoine Lavoisier. Antoine Lavoisier is a towering figure in the history of science. He is often hailed as the father of modern chemistry. Born in Paris in 1743, Lavoisier's groundbreaking work revolutionized our understanding of chemical reactions and laid the foundation of modern chemistry. His meticulous experiments of combustion led to the discovery of oxygen and the formulation of the law of conservation of mass, fundamentally changing the way we perceive matter and energy transformations. Lavoisier's systematic approach to experimentation emphasized on precise measurement and commitment to logical reasoning set a new standard for scientific inquiry, leaving an indelible mark on the field of chemistry and beyond. Facts about Antoine Lavoisier. Born August 26, 1743 in Paris, France. Known for discoveries in combustion, including the identification of oxygen. formulated the law of conservation of mass, published Elements of Chemistry in 1789, executed during the French Revolution on May 8, 1794, recognized as the father of modern chemistry. Timeline of Antoine Lavoisier's 1743, Antoine Laurent de Lavoisier is born on August 26 in Paris, France. 1764, Lavoisier earns a law degree but redirects his focus to chemistry due to his passion for science. In 1772, he marries Mary Anne Pariet Pauls, who becomes his scientific collaborator. 1775, Lavoisier is appointed to the French Academy of Science. 1789, Lavoisier publishes Elements of Chemistry, a groundbreaking work that revolutionized the field. In 1794, despite his contributions to science, Lavoisier is executed by guillotine. During the French Revolution on May 8, present-day Lavoisier's legacy lives on as he is remembered as the father of modern chemistry.
For Auguste Laurent. Auguste Laurent was born on November 14, 1807 in Poly Street, Poly Saint Maurice les Langres. In 1831, he accepted the position of lecture assistant and followed his scientific inclination for the course given by Jean-Baptiste André Dumas. In 1832, Laurent first incursions in organic chemistry were his experimental investigation of naphthalene and its derivatives. He discovered the synthesis of isolation of naphthalene from coal tar, its purification analysis, and its reaction with the halogens of nit- nitric acid. Auguste Laurent the preparation of naphthalene was followed by a study of its reaction with chlorine, bromine, nitric acid, and sulfuric acid anhydrides. Laurent prepared nearly 100 new derivatives of naphthalene with these reagents. All these achievements made Laurent a major figure in the chemistry and isolation of compounds by the distillation of coal tar. Laurent was appointed professor of chemistry at the University of Bordeaux in 1838. In his 7 years in Bordeaux were the most productive of his career. Having fallen seriously ill in 1852, he went to recuperate in the south of France but died in Paris of tuberculosis in April 15, 1853. Roger Adams. Roger Adams made significant contribution to organic chemistry, particularly through his pioneering work in isolating cannabinoids such as cannabidiol or CBD and his advancement in the chemistry of natural products. Additionally, Adams conducted extensive research on the chemistry of alkaloids, terpenes, and other organic compounds, furthering our understanding of their structure and properties. Facts about Roger Adams. Roger Adams, born on January 2, 1889, in Boston, Massachusetts, was an eminent American organic chemist known for isolating cannabinoids like cannabidiol CBD. Adams authored several textbooks on organic chemistry, including Organic Reactions, which became widely used in undergraduate and graduate chemistry education. Adams received numerous honors and awards for his contributions to science, including the Priestley Medal, the highest honor awarded by the American Chemical Society in 1946. Award He was also elected to the National Academy of Sciences and the American Academy of Arts and Science. Timeline of Roger Adams. 1889. Roger Adams is born on January 2 in Boston, Massachusetts, USA. 1909. Adams graduates with a bachelor's degree from Harvard University. 1912. He completes his PhD at Harvard University. Early 1910s begins his academic career as an instructor at Harvard University. 1916, Adams joins the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign as an assistant professor of organic chemistry. 1926 to 1954, he serves as the head of the chemistry department at the University of Illinois. Late 1920s, he conducts groundbreaking research on the chemistry of natural products, including the isolation of various plant alkaloids. 1940s achieves notable success in the isolation and identification of cannabinoids from cannabis, including cannabidiol. 1946, he awarded the Priestley Medal. 1971, Roger Adams passed away on July 6, leaving behind a rich legacy of contribution to organic chemistry.
Hey, good job, class, no? It was a great presentation, magandang slide. So, yeah, ayun, makikita natin, class, napakaraming magagaling na scientist na may contribution sa